Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in an equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 7 times x minus 4 equals 17. By following along with our step-by-step process, you will learn how to isolate the variable x and find its value. Let's get started. Step 1. We start with the equation 7 times x minus 4 equals 17. The goal is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation so that we can find its value. To begin this process, we need to get rid of the minus 4 that is on the same side as the variable. Since the equation says minus 4, we cancel this out by doing the opposite operation, which is adding 4. When we add 4 to the left side, we must also add 4 to the right side of the equation to keep it balanced. So adding 4 to both sides, the equation changes as follows. 7 times x minus 4 plus 4 equals 17 plus 4. On the left side, the minus 4 and plus 4 cancel each other out, leaving us with just 7 times x. On the right side, 17 plus 4 equals 21. So after this step, the equation is simplified to 7 times x equals 21. Step 2. Now that the equation is simplified to 7 times x equals 21, the next step is to isolate the variable x completely. This means we need to get x by itself on one side of the equation, with no other numbers attached to it. In the equation 7 times x equals 21, the number 7 is being multiplied by the variable x. To undo this multiplication, we do the opposite operation, which is division. So, we divide both sides of the equation by 7 to keep the equation balanced. When we divide the left side by 7, we are left with just x because 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the right side, we need to also divide 21 by 7. So the equation changes as follows. 7 times x divided by 7 equals 21 divided by 7. This simplifies to x equals 3. Therefore, the solution to the equation 7 times x minus 4 equals 17 is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.